Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Pluto. Rules Scorpio. Exaltation not yet established. Detriment Taurus. Fall not yet established. GIF. One is derived from the letters PL for its discoverer, Percival Lowell, in 1930. The other represents the cross of matter topped by the crescent moon and above hovers circle of infinity. Represents destroying or reform urge, fusion. Anatomy. The eliminative and reproductive systems, pituitary gland, abnormal growths, warts, tumors, birthmarks, moles. Keyword. Transformation. General. Pluto traditionally rules the underworld and that which is hidden from view, including the unknown worlds within you, your submerged or subconscious self. Also represents all replication processes like conception and printing. Pluto governs the masses, waste, subversion, atomic power and crime. It rules phobias and obsessions, slow growth, group factors, transmutation, beginnings and endings, birth and death, isolation, coercion, disappearance, kidnapping, anonymity, bacteria and viruses. Represents generation, regeneration and degeneration. It exposes that which has been developed secretly or undercover. It governs vacancy, plumbing, dictatorships, unpopular causes and the exclusive. Pluto's action is slow, ponderous and inevitable. It is the last of the transcendental planets and is considered a higher octave of Mars. Where you find Pluto in the chart you will find complexity. It is where you'll have to solve problems alone and unaided. The second house, mine. The second house shows financial affairs, values, freedom, inner and outer, resources, earning ability, possessions. Natural sign is Taurus. Natural ruler is Venus. Keyword is values. The second is a house of substance and earth. Quality is seconnd house. General. The second house shows financial affairs, possessions, except real estate, investments, earning power, and any gain or loss through your own efforts. It indicates your inner talents and resources, your need for fulfillment, your emotional feelings, your sense of self-worth and your sense of values. Since many people believe that liberty is largely a matter of money, this is the house of personal liberty. It is also the house of material debt. Pluto in the second house. Pluto in the second house of your birth chart shows that wealth and money are a major challenge in your life. There is a sense of constant volatility in your finances. If that's the case, you can adapt your attitude towards money, realizing that there are more important values in life. It is also possible that your financial situation undergoes a significant change at some stage in your life. Perhaps you believe that someone has betrayed you, and you suffer financial loss as a result. Your challenge is to organize your personal finances to the fullest, otherwise you could be subject to financial investigation and loss. Register to see free online horoscopes. You register quickly via Facebook or by email. Step 2. Enter your date of birth. Find the city of birth according to the syntax: city, state, country. Check your date of birth. Step 3. Your date of birth information will be assigned to an ID code. You use this ID code to view the horoscope online in different tabs. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions please tell me. If you want free horoscopes please watch below video. Thank you. See you in the next video.